kindergartners! Today we are going to play a game with our sight words called Puddle Jumper. What you're going to need to do is get some note cards or pieces of paper, whatever you have handy at your house, and I would like you to choose some sight words. I have 8 here, but you can choose 8 or 9 or 10 or maybe even 11. And then you're going to pick out some sight words. Now, all I ask is that you use your sight words from this week. So I have boy, girl, and who. And I'd also like you to use your sight words that you learned last week. We have little and how. And then what I'd like you to do is add some sight words in that maybe you're having trouble with and you can't really remember. And those are good ones to practice with. So I have out, very, and then. But whichever ones you want to add in, it's your choice. But just make sure you have sight words from this week and last week because we want to practice with those. Once you have your sight words, you're going to hop on outside and you're going to draw puddles. And inside those puddles, you're going to write the sight words. We have then, who, girl, boy, little, how, very, out, and then we're back to then again. Now what I did was I drew my puddles kind of close together because you're going to be jumping through these puddles. So if you draw them far apart, it may be hard for you to get to them. So try to draw your puddles close together. Now, once you have all your puddles drawn, what you're going to do is you're going to grab your pile of sight words. And luckily, I have a wonderful assistant to help me today, Gianna. Go ahead and hop on in there, Gianna. She's going to show us how this works. So, your parent, your brother, sister, grandma, grandpa, somebody older is going to need to help you. And they're going to have the pile of sight word cards. And they're going to grab one, and I'll show you guys the first one. What's this one? You guys should know it. What is it? Right. Good job. Now let's see if Gianna knows it. Gianna, what's this sight word?
Boy.
Right. Now where is boy at? Find boy and jump to it. Good job. Now go to the next one. What's this sight word? Right. Good job. Gianna, what's this one?
Little.
Okay, now find little. Good job. Let's do one more. What about this one? What's this one, guys? Good job. Gianna, what's this one?
Girl.
All right, jump to girl. And then you keep going like this until you get through all your sight word cards. Now, guys, for example, if you are on the end of your puddles, Gianna, can you head over to little for me, please? If you're on little, which is right there, and you happen to get then, see how far away that is? That's pretty far. I don't know if she can make that in one jump. So what do you think you can do? How can you get to that puddle? And you can't leave the puddles. That's the trick. You can't just step on your driveway or your sidewalk. You have to stay in the puddles. How can you get to then? What do you guys think? Gianna, what do you think? How could you get there?
So you could jump in the puddles like this to get to them.
Ooh, I like that. Can you go back to little? But guess what, guys? Here's the trick. If you jump in a puddle, you have to tell us what the sight word is you jumped on. So for example, Gianna, if you have to jump in puddles to get to then, you say the sight words to get to it. So go ahead.
Boy, girl, who, then.
Yep, so if you have to get to the sight word that you drew through other puddles, you have to make sure you say the name of those sight words that you are jumping on. And that's it, guys. That's the name of our game, Puddle Jumper. Have fun. Bye.